Che Guevara, born Ernesto Guevara de la Serna in 1928 in Argentina, is one of the most iconic and controversial figures of the 20th century. A Marxist revolutionary, physician, author, guerrilla leader, and diplomat, Guevara played a major role in the Cuban Revolution and influenced leftist movements worldwide. Guevara was born into a middle-class family in Rosario, Argentina. Despite suffering from asthma, he excelled academically and developed a passion for reading. His interests included philosophy, politics, and literature. In 1951 to 1952, Guevara embarked on a motorcycle journey across South America with his friend Alberto Granado. This trip exposed him to the widespread poverty and social injustices across the continent, profoundly shaping his political beliefs and aspirations. Guevara met Fidel Castro in Mexico in 1955. Impressed by Guevara's intellect and commitment, Castro invited him to join the 26th of July movement. Guevara played a crucial role in the guerrilla campaign against Cuban dictator Fulgencio Batista, which culminated in Batista's overthrow in 1959. After the revolution, Guevara held several key positions in the new Cuban government, including President of the National Bank and Minister of Industries. He was instrumental in implementing agrarian land reform and nationalizing industry. However, his radical policies and alliance with the Soviet Union strained Cuba's relationship with the United States. In the 1960s, Guevara left Cuba to promote Marxist revolutions abroad. He spent time in the Congo, attempting to incite a revolution there, but the effort failed due to logistical and local opposition. Undeterred, Guevara moved to Bolivia in 1966 to lead another guerrilla movement. Guevara's efforts in Bolivia were thwarted by the Bolivian army, aided by the CIA. He was captured in October 1967 and executed the following day. His death turned him into a martyr for the revolutionary cause, and his image became a symbol of resistance and rebellion worldwide. Legacy. Che Guevara's legacy is complex and polarizing. To some, he is a hero who fought for social justice and against imperialism. To others, he is a controversial figure associated with violence and totalitarianism. His life and actions continue to inspire debate and analysis. Che Guevara's journey from a middle-class Argentinian youth to a global revolutionary icon encapsulates the tumultuous spirit of the 20th century. His dedication to his beliefs, despite numerous setbacks, left an indelible mark on history and continues to inspire and provoke reflection on issues of social justice, revolution, and human rights.